She's like, thumbs up. Where's the screams that time?
You just walked right in the video.
She's like right in the middle.
Sarah, she just texted her mom.
Bailey, get out of the way.
Bailey, come over here.
Okay.
No, that's what Hannah would all the time.
Uh-oh.
What's up with that arm? Is it weak? What's wrong with it?
Face,
You got it.
holding you.
Think. Pay attention to what you're doing.
Come on. Just bend your arms a little bit and snap toes down.
Good. You gotta get that arm strong over
One
there.
more.
The other one, the other arm. There you go.
Get it, yeah. Think when you're doing it. Follow through.
Video it?
That belly.